What's up, guys? Welcome back to Bimmer PhD. I'm your host, Tim, and we are back with this 2021 330E. This is the G20 chassis, and if you remember, Tom's concern was that the car was making a howling noise on deceleration or regeneration when it's regenerating and charging the electrical system. That's how these hybrids work. They recharge the battery when you're on decel, so when you lift your foot. So I heard the clunks he was talking about, and I definitely heard the whining, but what we wanted to do was do a visual inspection before we put any tools like NVH, noise, vibration, harshness, electronics. So, holy smokes, let me show you what we found. So the first thing we observe is there's a huge puddle after racking this car, and while I was backing the car to set it up onto the lift, it had a little bit of a challenging time going over the center hump here, and I heard a pink when we loaded it, and then we went on to another car to inspect. When we came back, we noticed this thing had lost its guts over here, and then we finally understood what was actually going on. Let me see if I can make it brighter in here for you. So here you can see there's a gigantic hole in the differential. Perfect. Thank you, Ryan.
No problem.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the axle. And if you can see how much this bearing is moving.
This one is too.
So the way it got its hole is the pinion drive, the pinion gear inside here, or not the pinion gear, but it looks like this is the ring gear, had contacted and cracked the housing. And oil had been leaking all across the bottom of the car. So that was that thump and whining noise you were hearing. And then finally, when I lifted it onto this hump over here, the bearing hit the bottom of the housing and gave up the ghost. So sufficient to say,
It's burned onto the exhaust and everything. It's been leaking for a good bit.
yeah, so it's a good thing the customer brought it in with this noise. Not great that the differential needs to be replaced at 50,000 miles, but at least we're going to get a resolution to this, and he can go back and enjoy this hybrid power plant. So while we're in here, I just wanted to give you a quick visual of what we see here. This is the one side of the hybrid 48-volt battery. Check out this little computer fan right here. This is what cools the battery. And by the way, these batteries are cooled with, you see that? Refrigerant. That is a pressure control valve. So it is using your refrigerant to cool the batteries. And then here you can see the 48-volt system by the orange cables. You should not be touching this system unless you are certified and hybrid certified. Otherwise, you can cause some severe damage and or in certain cases, worse, such as death. Anyways, this is your hybrid vehicle. Quick visual on it here. We can see that shocks are in good condition. We don't see any leaks. However, I do see that the bellows up top there has come apart. So maybe perhaps it bottomed out at one point or another. But the suspension looks okay for 50,000 miles. It's hard to see in this video, but we've got some minor cracking of the bushings from here. So we'll monitor that for the future. And the same thing over here.